All cards based on NE106 and NE107 GPUs are physically designed to use full slot, but they can only use 8 out of the 16 available LANs, with the remaining LANs remaining electrically disconnected. In the case of the ASUS RTX 4060 Ti Dual SSD series, these additional LANs are put to use, and compared to initial prototype, the card used undergone some minor changes, and a simple plastic cover for the M.2 drive now attached to the backplate, and the PCB design remains unchanged, and the fundamental idea is still the same, attaching the SSD to the GPU's heatsink for improved thermal performance. And this setup also provides convenient access to the M.2 slot, which is not tucked away on the motherboard. And this card also utilizes the ASUS Q-Latch system, eliminating the need for screws and friend. The card is already available for purchase. Finalized price of €559, which is €90 more expensive than non-SS design. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.